Only 7 members, now 8 members from there. Okay. So whatever it is, the recording is started or not? It started. Okay, so in a package management, so different packages are there, guys. Not always RPM, not always something like that. Okay, so there is like a with the .sh, .sh is there. Dot make install. Some packages we don't have any extension. So different ways to install is there. So compulsory, when you are got a package, compulsory you must know how to install it. Some are like a direct Java installation is also like Java files you can install with a .jar kind of installations are there. So it is Linux package management. Mainly we are discussed about a RPM command, and another one is yum commands are there. Okay, RPM morning we discussed Red Hat package management. So what is this yum? We'll see. Yum is a Yellowdog manager kind of stuff. It's a name is like that. So Yellowdog update modifier. Yellowdog update modifier. Using yum, you can install RPM packages and other different type of packages also. You can see it is the open source command line as well as graphical based command line tool for RPM based in Linux system. It allows user and system administrators easy to install, update, remove such as software packages on the system. Okay, so there is a lot of things are there. So we'll go to discuss that one. Okay, first you can install a RPM package. So like a package dot whatever it is dot RPM we can able to install. Not only a RPM command, using yum command also we can install. So remember that point. Okay. So again, what is this yum? What is the use of this one? For install, update or upgrade, verify, remove, info. Okay, usually verify means info. Command is info. Okay. Group installations. Group installations. We can able to do it. Okay. So in yum we can able to install packages using yum. We can install, update, verify means info, remove, and group install, group uninstall, group list kind of stuff is there. Okay, normally you can install a packages like this. Again, last time I told one point is there. Again I'm telling guys, look at what is the advantage of yum. Advantage of yum. So main advantage of the yum is, okay, main advantage of is, look at here, dependency resolve resolves dependencies. Resolve dependency. Dependencies are a dependency. This is all the dependency. Okay. The meaning is, what is resolved dependencies? When you are installing an application or a package, so automatically it required dependency. So the dependency requirement is there. So you are trying to install an application and the package required other packages to be installed, right? Dependency package is there, but it is resolved that kind of stuff. But how it is resolved, I will tell. Next, you need to download every package into local system. Okay, every package individually. So you can say individual. So every package, like I want this package, I have to download or copy kind of stuff, not required. Okay, so even that without that one also. Okay, so no need to worry about versions, versions, architectures, versions and architectures. Okay, kind of stuff. Versions, architectures, releases, the stuff. No need to worry about it. Very simple to install. Okay, so this is the point I am trying to teach, and very easy to manage. Very easy to manage. Okay, here in the PPT also few points are there. Easy software management, installing, updating, deleting is very simple. Software dependency solution resolution. Official Red Hat or CentOS package manager is there. Okay, package management, built-in package management you will get it. How yum works. How yum works. This is the point. It is very carefully you have to listen, guys. Okay, so you have to carefully listen. So careful. So if you don't get it, or maybe you want to ask a question, no problem also. But I'm trying to tell a story. So you don't get a story also, just ask me. I will try to tell it again. Okay. So listen, just very simple imagination base. Okay. How yum works. It's like in RPM install -i package we use it, right? So in RPM, what we use? So IPM for RPM, where is this RPM kind of stuff? Yes, like this RPM -i package. But in yum also we can use same command and other commands also we can able to use it. So that is I'm going to second one. I'm trying to do it. Okay, look at here, guys. This is step-by-step process. Just steps only I'm telling. I'm not telling about much about a commands kind of stuff. Okay. Otherwise, if you want, I will do it, but not required. We are using CentOS, no problem. That is another advantage of CentOS. Okay. So this is my Linux system. Our name is, for example, Linux 1. Okay. This is my Linux system. What I've done, I take packages and I put everything in one place. So for example, this folder name is packages folder. Folder name is packages folder. In this one, I put all packages. Okay, so whatever it is, I download all the packages. I keep it in a one single folder name is packages. Okay, guys, understand first point? I take all the packages from internet or DVD, whatever it is. I keep it in one single folder. Okay, single folder. Got this point?
Yes, sir.
Very good. Okay. Next point is I will create a database. So what I'm doing is here I'm writing I will create a DB database. For example, there is a command called create repo and I put this package. Command is not correct, correct or not correct. It is I'm not going to that one. If you want, you can do it. Creating a log, so you can go to access.redhat.com. There you can find some guidelines. As I said, I always prefer TechMint. Why it is TechMint is not showing? Unix man, TechMint. Yeah, here it is. So like this. Okay. This is server client kind of stuff. I don't mind about it. I don't go with this. Like this. First you have to install, create repo and yum utils you have to install in your local PC. So later, so you have to put a command like this, create repo. Okay, create repo, and you have to tell where the files are located. So I'm not doing anything, just simply create repo. So then database will be created in the .xml file, db file, some files will be created. Understand the concept. What is the first one? The first one is copy all the data into one single location. Second, create a database. So using command called a create repo. So what will happen? Under this one, a database will be created. Okay, DBs will be created. So next, third one. What is the third one? So database will be created. So in a third one, so we have to create repo file. Okay, .repo file. Something name dot some name dot repo. Some name dot repo file. You should create it. Repo file you should create. Create name dot some name. What are the name? And specify package location. You have to tell here it is packages are located. Okay, this is for single system, multiple system. I will tell. Specify the location of the packages. This is the third step. Next, fourth step. Okay, you have to put a command called yum.repos.d. There's two beautiful commands are there. So it is always best one is yum clean all, then yum.repos.d. Yum.repos.d will download this database into your local PC. It contains the metadata of your packages. Database means metadata of your packages. Metadata of your packages. Okay, the fourth step is done. So fifth step. Okay, which package you want to install? So then you can install yum package, your package name. Package name is your application name or a package name. So which package? Yum info, the package, and then yum install package like that. Remaining is remaining only. So this is finally installation. What is the first step? Copy all data into single location. Second, create a database. Create a database on this one. Third one, create a repo.repo file. In your system, I will tell the location also. There is a location is also there. You can see ls space /etc/yum.repos.d. Okay, like this. This is one repository. It is like this is the location. Here it is. Repo.d, like name.repo. Okay, and specify the location of the database. Location of this is there. So package location. So it's like a hash package. This is the package location. Next, when you put a clean all and repo list, it download the database into your local PC. Download into your local PC. Of course, packages and you are doing in the same PC here in this scenario. Only small changes in other things are there. Then you can install the packages, uninstall the packages, whatever you do it. It automatically all packages in one location, and if any package you are installing, dependency is there, the dependency automatically located in your packages location, it will resolve that one, it will install automatically. So you don't need to download that dependency again, that dependency like that, not required. Simply it is, you are trying to install one package like httpd, you are install. It automatically check what package is available. You try to install it. If dependency is there, it automatically download that dependency and install the dependency from single location only. Okay, so you don't need to worry about downloading the relevant kind of stuff, not required. Okay, so this is one single system. This is a single system. In your local PC, you want to manage the packages of yum. So when we use a yum command, then you will understand why it is the purpose of yum and all. So at least I will show you one or two examples also. Second, I put a division for a other system. For example, in my local network, okay, in my local network, this is local PC, this is local network. I have another computer called a Linux 2. Linux 2, I have another computer. Okay, think like this, guys. I have one system. I created this repository database and all. Okay, I have a 10 computers in my network. Can I have to go for 10 computers to do the same procedure? Not required. Not required. Okay, I will link this thing to I'll create a link to any network related services. This step. So 1 second. Second step, I will put it in some different color for understanding. This is second part, Linux 2 part. Okay, but say I put this color. I link this thing to any network services like HTTP, FTP, NFS, CAFS. Okay, I link any network sharing services. This package will be linked to any network sharing services. Okay, very simple. I create a package in the HTTP related services, FTP related services, like that. Okay, and I will tell other systems can able to access my packages using HTTP or FTP like kind of stuff. Here what I do, my first step. This is the first step now. In this scenario, so this is the second one, right? So this is the first step. Second step is, okay, second step is everything is connected in network, so that is very important. System should be communicate each other. I will create a repository file. I will create a repo file. I'll create a repo file. The same location where the location of default location /yum.repos.d/name.repo. So I created a file. Name is any name you can put it. Okay, you can put any name. Okay, in this one, what to specify? So a lot of things are there. I'm not talking about a complete configuration. I'm talking specify the location, right? The location is depends upon what service it is. Okay, location of the package. Location of package you have to tell. So what is the location of the package based on the services? Like it will be like have to tell like if it is a http colon slash slash okay line x1 package, or you can put it ftp colon slash slash line x1 just for understanding, guys. Don't worry, so it won't may not what. Okay, like this, just for an example. Here you have to specify package location in the yum repository. So again, third step onwards, it is the same always. Yum clean all yum repo list. Okay. What is the third step? Yum clean all yum repo list. Yum info. What is the package you wanted? Okay. And yum install required package. So this is remaining is common. So what is the difference? You no need to create this repository database because already database is created. And it is linked to the some networking related services. Only thing is you have to create a file in your local PC name.repo any name .repo extension is .repo in /etc /yum.repos.d /name your repository name.repo. In that one, you have to specify how it is shared using HTTP service or FTP service, your server address, either IP address or a name, and the location you have to specify. And the next one is yum clean all yum repo list. This yum repo list will load this database. Okay, so it will load database from there. Sorry, some mistake. Okay, so when you given a list, automatically DB will be loaded. So which DB? This particular DB only will be loaded here. Okay, yum repo list, download the database. Okay, then you can able to install. Okay, guys, do you understand second part?
Yes,
Or
sir.
did it? Okay, okay. So this is, so you have a one server, okay, then you are creating a local. You have a 10 or 20 servers are there, 10 servers, 20 servers, 30 servers. You go to other machines, very simple, create a repository file. In that one, specify where is the packages, packages in the Linux one only. You have to tell it is in the Linux, but how to access, which service, HTTP service, FTP service, NFS service, which network service you want to, you're accessing. So you have to specify that related information. Then yeah, you can able to start working. So you don't need to copy all the packages. You don't need to copy the packages in every PC. Understand? Every PC you don't need to copy the packages. Okay. So only we have to copy into central system make it as a repository server package, repository server, and distribute through network. Third one is also same, no difference. Third one is example of my CentOS. Linux 3. This one is not in the local. My Linux 3 is my machine. My Linux machine. This is my Linux machine. Okay. This is my Linux machine. Now I got a problem. What is the problem? I want to install some packages. That is my problem. So what I have to do? Same thing. In yum/etc/yum.repos.d/some name dot repo file. Okay, of course it is in internet. For example, it is not local. Okay, it is in internet. Whatever it is, my Linux one is in internet. Think like this. I have a Linux one in the internet. There is a lot of packages, and the package metadata is also created repository server. So what I have to tell? In this file, I have to tell again location. So for example, http://linux server1/ so the package names and other details you have to specify. Remaining is same only, no difference. Either it is your local machine is in a local, that is this is in the internet. That's it. Only thing is where is packages. What is repository? Is a remote location kind of stuff. Okay, repository is always remote location kind of stuff. Okay, so where is the packages? Where is the packages? What are the packages? That information. So first of all, where is the packages? Where on which location the packages are located? That is in our repository file. Next, when you put a this command yum.repolist, so what you will get it? The metadata or database of your package from your location. Metadata. That's why I insist from starting of Linux itself, put it in a NAT or at least VMNet 0. If VMNet 0 is not possible, put a NAT at least. So why VMNet 0? Why I am giving more importance for internet connection? We are in a CentOS. We can install any packages easily. If you put a NAT also, no problem. Internet is important. Another advantage of CentOS is in CentOS, the built-in repositories are there. Means when you install your CentOS, along with your CentOS, the repository files are there inside your system. Repository files are there. Like I told in Linux 3, there is a repository file. In that file, it contains where is the package locations. So when you put a yum repo list, automatically download the database. Next, we can easily install. If you take a Red Hat operating system, what you have to do, you have to create your own repositories, or you have to download certain few repository links, or you have to create a repository links kind of stuff. Okay, guys, this is the procedure how yum works. Okay, how yum works and what is the complete procedure. Okay, so I'm not talking about how to create a yum server. Okay, so this is always a question is like if you want how to create yum repository server kind of stuff. Why I put a question mark starting means I'm not telling it. Okay, I'm not telling it. That is, you can search it if you want, you can try it. It is very easy to do it, but I'm not doing now. If you want really insist to you want that kind of stuff, so we'll do it in separate way. Okay. So important is, first of all, this is the location ls space slash etc slash yum.repos.d slash. This is important. Okay. Point is yum, how yum works. Okay, that is the first point. So second point is check the repositories in your Linux system. I am using CentOS, guys. That is very important. CentOS 7 I'm using. In my Linux, look at here. These are the .repo files. CentOS-Base, CentOS-CR, Debuginfo, fasttrack, media, source, vault, x86 underscore 64 hyphen kernel.repo. Okay, you want to update your yum repository kind of stuff also there. Next, ls space slash etc slash yum.repos.d. I didn't create these repository files. It is already created by itself. Already created when I install OS by CentOS itself. I use less because it's a file will occupy space in my screen. Okay. So look at here. This is the structure of the repository file. Base, name of the repository, location. So it is base URL, HTTP mirror like this. But this is won't work here. Why? Because hash symbol. This is the main link. Mirror list, HTTP mirror list, CentOS.org or fedora.org, like that it will give. GPG check. Check when you are downloading, check with this key. Or installing or downloading, use this key to download like that. Next one is same thing. This is for updates. You want to update something, use updates. GPG check one. GPG key is this. This is the GPG key. Okay, and this is the location of. This is the location of your packages. Location of packages. You can copy and paste into your location. It won't work anyway, but we can make it that work also. This is a mirror list is there. So first of all, HTTP. No. It will damage kind of stuff. Remove this mirror list first. So go to this URL. Invalid release repo.arc. Okay, so we'll go to main site mirror list dot CentOS. Earlier it is okay. So whatever it is, because of the servlet, it is not giving correctly, but it is okay. It will works. You can try this one also. You can copy this HTTP mirror CentOS release server update. Okay, so release server OS. This is updates. Okay, it will take a lot of time, so leave it. Look at here. This is extras. CentOS plus enable 0. This particular part is enable 0. Enable 0 means it is a disabled part. So this base, okay, so this extras and updates and base are enabled. The last one is disabled. Guys, this is a repository file. What is a repository file? Contains information of where the packages are located. Okay, so I'm in CentOS 7. This is the outcome, and read the file content is always better. Okay, this is second step. If anything is open, no problem, no problem. Okay, so here it is. This is the next command is yum clean all. Why we should use clean all? If already I done any queries that metadata database in my cache, so I want to remove all the cache yum cache databases. I want to remove it. So at least try 2 times. Next yum repo list. What will happen in my repository files? In the repository files, what are the links are there? What are the paths are there? It try to connect that path and download your metadata, means the database. It is like a metadata only. So metadata means just not a thing. It is like links. So it is base, extras, and updates, and totally 4 kind of stuff. Group underscore zz, primary underscore db. Okay, some xml file is also there. One thing, it is downloading. Once it is completed, after break, I will tell the universal setup kind of stuff, including release.rpm. Okay. This is, I will tell you how to use yum kind of stuff only. Okay, so internet must be little better way. Why it is slow? Because of power cut, internet problem. It is 15 MB, 20 MB. I think because of it is. Now it is done, completed. It is repo ID, repository name, and what are the database names and all kind of stuff. So first part is as per the third picture. What is the completed? Meaning is from here, this part. Okay. First yum clean all, yum repo list, completed. What is the next one? Yeah, you can use anything. No. Yum info httpd. For example, is it http is installed or not installed? I'll get it. So yum info httpd. I'm not giving anything like a versions and all complete RPM package. I'm not giving here. Simply anything tags with a httpd. So httpd is available package. Available means not yet installed. Not yet installed. Okay. Not yet installed. You want to know other httpd, anything others, not only this is plus other anything. So httpd star, that will display a lot of things. See, httpd tools and httpd available package, httpd development, devil means development. Okay, like this. Installed package, http tools installed, repo is installed. Available, in available it shows, okay, not installed kind of stuff. Okay, it is showing update, it will be waiting for update, it is also waiting for update, and it is available. Okay, so what I have done, I put a yum info httpd. Now what I am doing is yum install, no. First of all, I am remove httpd hyphen tools. Last time already I installed, so I am removing this one. Yum remove httpd install. Yes, you have to give y here. Okay, for telling yes, I want to remove it. Now it is completed. Now check it. httpd tools not installed. Okay, see, it is not showing anywhere. It is installed kind of stuff. Available packages. Now what I am doing is yum install httpd. So now it is showing it is installing httpd and installing httpd tools for a dependency. Okay, so last time means when I am using a RPM, when I'm trying to install this package, httpd package, it is telling you don't install httpd hyphen tools. Okay, so installation is failure. So what I have done, I installed httpd tools, then I try to install http. Okay, so I press no because I want to show you something before installation. Look at here. Systemctl status httpd services could not find. That is good. Check for a spelling mistake, guys. Services there are not like that, so you should have know that is the exact service name or not. Also, you should know. Sometimes we think it is a service name, sometimes it is not. Next, httpd stores means when you install httpd means web server, it create a www folder, and then under that one it will create a HTML folder. You can't see www here, or you can try directly HTML is there or not. Nothing is there. So service is not available. This is also not available. Of course, you can check for a documents configuration like a /etc/http some configuration. Keep pressing tab button. Nothing. httpd configuration is also not there. Yeah. Now yum install httpd. So it is telling I am going to install httpd, but httpd hyphen tools is a dependency and it is also installing. So I don't need to do anything. Yes. Okay, it is also telling total download and total installation. It will be download. Yes, something is there, so no problem. Okay, now it is installed. You want to know whether it is installed or not? Yum info. It is installed. Package installed. Okay, package installed. Repo installed. It is installed. Next, ls space /var. You can see ww here. Okay, ls space /var/ not every package. This is HTTP. I'm talking in a HTTP manner. So this is available. Systemctl httpd status systemctl. It is giving very big information. Earlier no service is there. Now it is showing active, inactive, dead. Means service is not started. If you start the service, it shows service is started. Shows service is started. So this is it, guys. So you can try in another way, like a see. This is httpd configuration related. This is available. Okay, so package is successfully installed. You can start the service. So I'm not talking about starting and all, just for understanding how to install a package. Guys, understand how to install a packages?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So before I am installing a package, this is up to here. From here, you have to take it. A few things I want to modify. Then I will uninstall it. So just will go once for installing any package using yum. So make sure that you have a repositories. Next one is put yum clean all to remove the all previous metadata, means queries, and find out your package kind of stuff is there or not. Yum info to find whether package is installed, not installed, or any similar packages are required to do it. If something is small part is installed, like just for I removed it, that's it. So do not worry, already that is based on my thing. Installing a package, it is resolve the dependency also. Next, check the status before you install. So what I am done, before I am installing, I check the status. So what I've done, I check it whether it is package is installed, not installed. And next, the status kind of stuff, I checked it just to know what is the difference between before installation and after installation. Okay, so I install the package. Then of course you have to press Y. After installation, I check it installed or not kind of stuff, and also check the changes related to that service. Also check the status. I didn't start the services, and also I went to the configuration file is also available. This is for just installing. Okay, this is main steps to install a package. Okay, I took an example. Package is httpd. Now this is for a uninstall. This is for a uninstall or a remove package. Okay, in between, so we have to do update also. Package. Next one is uninstall or remove. So same example, we are taking example httpd. So here yum update httpd. That's it. So it will check any updates are linked. Okay, next one is yum remove. For deleting, yum remove. But I am not deleting the dependency part. Dependency is already installed. If you want, you can able to delete that one also by selecting the dependency names. But here I'm deleting the package only. Yes, only httpd I'm deleting. So deleted. Okay. Now once it is deleted, what you have to do? Check it. Yum info. Okay, it is available package. Means you're successfully deleted. Okay. Yum info. Next one is systemctl. Systemctl status. Service is not found. ls space /var/www.html. No mistakes, but still it is showing no file or directory kind of stuff. ls space /etc/httpd kind of stuff. Nothing is there. It is okay. So these are the things will happen. So how to update? Yum update httpd. Uninstall yum remove httpd. After removing, again you have to check it. Yum info httpd. Next systemctl list you have to tell, right? So systemctl status httpd. Systemctl status httpd. ls/var/www/html. Like this, whatever the verification you want to do it, check it. So this is totally yum kind of stuff. Okay, but I will tell one more last part, that is yum group kind of stuff also there, like group info, develop tools, like this. Yum group info development tools. So this is the development tools, packages, mandatory packages. Okay, mandatory packages, default packages, optional packages. These things will be installed like C, C++, Python, package build, okay, patches, make installation, like this. You can create your own packages and the stuff will be there. So this is yum group info packages. Just info now, so then automatically you'll get a list of packages here. How to install? Don't install, guys. Don't install. Just yum group install. Again, you have to give development tools. Don't need to install now. So if you want, this is like this info kind of stuff. Remove also that group info kind of stuff is there. Okay. Yum group info. Anything like a virtualization, capital letters, small letters. Okay. Virtualization does not exist. You see, it is virtualization related kind of stuff. When I put a star, automatically it is came. See, virtualization, nothing is showing. But when I put a virtualization star, Look at here. Base, core, virtualization hypervisor, virtualization tools, optional groups, debugging, virtual file network file system, okay, remote system management, virtualization platform, okay, virtualization tools, Java tools, what viewer, what libraries, okay, what clients, what install, what manager, these things also okay. Okay, I put a star, that's it. So cap letters, small letters, we are not mind about it. So don't need to install it, but just to know it, this is the group. So one by one, instead of installing one by one tool kind of stuff, you can install by group. So this is the about your yum. Guys, understand how to install a package and how to uninstall the package. First of all, yum info. Second one is install. Third one is verify the installation. First step is yum info package. Next yum install your package. Verify package means again yum info package. Verify service management kind of stuff, whatever it is, configurations, you have to do it. Anyway, uninstallation already I told. Guys, understand the steps. How to check it, installed, not installed, how to install. Now take a break. Okay, so only 6 members, 8 to 6 members. So next part I will tell the universal, like complete all the commands, and I will tell. So one by one, at least one HTTP or FTP, one setup I will show you today. Tomorrow I will show you another things like NFS, EAFS kind of stuff. 2 machines required tomorrow. So if you want to do tomorrow practical, you can do it after I told also. But or if you have 2 Linux machines, 1 GB, 1 GB is enough. Okay. So take a break, guys. Be back at 4:35. It's already 4:15, 4:20 it is. So take 15 minutes break. Maximum time is 4:35.